Hey everybody, Matt from A to Z Diecast here. Gonna do a quick opening. Farm truck and Asian. 401, 403, 405. That's what it is. Sorry, it's late. You guessed it. This is the brand new, just released Boosted GT. They've come a long way. This is why I'm actually showing the box. When they first started shipping some of their stuff, they shipped in bubble wrap bags. So for us diecast guys, people who like cardboard, which these I actually do keep in the cardboard, it is a big deal because it keeps the card nice and crisp, nicely wrapped. Someone got to them and explained that to them after their first couple cars. I just realized that I haven't done videos on those because they're hanging on my wall unopened. I gotta do those. But this is they're freshly released, so I decided to do this before I hang this up. So, Johnny Lightning, Boosted GT. Bumper's hanging off a little bit. Looks like it. Gap's a little bigger than I'd like it, but you see it's got the small tires up there. Really liking the back tire. Good job, Johnny Lightning, doing that. A little focus on there. There you go. Talks about the car right there. Really like the detail on the tires. Look, it even has all the rubber on the back. Good detail. Sorry, heard a commotion upstairs. I'm back. Again, liking that. Let's check out the rear. Come on, there we go. Got his plate. Little dust on the inside of the package there. This is dust that is not on the car. Taillights look good. Got the Cobra on the side. Standard Johnny Lightning on the bottom. Nothing crazy. The front wheels look a little too big for me, but what are you going to do? Johnny Lightning doesn't have any skinnies. Seeing a lot of stuff sitting on the inside of this package, though. Probably leftovers from the tires. All in all, great car. There is an issue with the packaging. As you can see here, this is not fully closed. So be careful when hanging it on your wall. I will. You can also tell here that the stickum, the stuff, I call it stickum, I don't know what, the glue is not very well on this. So again, if you do order, be careful. I'm going to hang it, but it's there. I'm going to hang it with the rest of them. Little other details. I can't remember the name of those things. The little clips for the hood. Nice detail on that. Lights could be a little better, but what are you gonna do with a 164? Nice Cobra on the grill. All in all, great car. Here is the back. Let me try and, did I zoom in? I did. There's the back. Talks about boosted. The tires. Licensed by Ford. Johnny Lightning's Facebook and Instagram. You will notice that it looks, I thought it was, but it's not. Look at that. Thought it was stuck on, but there is a true UPC. I guess the 405 has its own photography stuff. Provided by 405 Photo. Anyway, that's the my review. This is going up on the wall. I gotta remember that when I have some time and nothing new, I'm gonna start pulling the rest of the 405 farm truck, dung beetle, all those things off my wall and make some videos for you guys. But again, Mustang fans, car guys who watch Street Outlaws, this is up on Farm Truck and Asians website, okcfarmtruck.com. $20. It's, hey, listen, it's what you would pay for a Super. So for you Hot Wheels guys, but not a bad thing. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share it, comment. By the way, Boosted GT did have a sticker on in one of the latest episodes for Long Island Needs a Drag Strip. Thanks for the support, buddy. We used to have some, down to none. Need one back. All you guys out there, Long Island Needs a Drag Strip. Check them out on Facebook. Need the support. Peace out. Talk to you later.